Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to build your clientele. This video has been requested by many of you guys on my Instagram and here on YouTube. If you are new here, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for more videos. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Ashley and I am a professional hairstylist. I've been doing YouTube now for about 2.5 years and I love all of you that have been so supportive of me and also my business. And follow me on Instagram if you want. I will link it right here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things that I think will help you build your clientele. And number 1 is going to be social media and Instagram. Social media is a huge platform right now. Not only are young people using it, but also the older generation as well. On social media, you can grow your business on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even TikTok nowadays. Now, this is coming from my own opinion, but I think Instagram is the biggest way to growing your clientele. I would have to say within my past 5 years of doing hair, about 80% of my clients actually came from Instagram. Posting every day is going to help Instagram's algorithm push out your posts the most. That way others around you and those who don't follow you are going to be able to see your pictures. One way to posting every day is taking pictures of your client's hair. If you only have one client that day, make sure that you get a before and after. That way you can post it to Instagram. When you do post a picture on Instagram, make sure that you are using hashtags and also to make sure that you're putting the area that you're in and also tagging people. And what I mean by adding the location on your Instagram post, that's going to lead so many people in your city and your state to you. And also, if you're tagging other people as well, some of my favorite people to tag are Best of Balayage, American Salon, Behind the Chair. When I tag those people and when people are going through their profile, looking at their tag pictures, they see my profile. Just from posting your location can actually reach people in your state and others around you as well. That way your clientele can grow even bigger than just in your state. So now let's go ahead and talk about your profile. So when having an Instagram and trying to gain clientele, a profile that is going to capture people's attention is huge. One thing to make sure is make sure that your profile picture is something good, something that's going to get people's attention. I usually recommend that it's you. That way people are seeing on who's this person behind this profile. My Instagram, I personally have my name in my bio just because when some people try to contact me, that way they know my name and they know on who I'm talking to. So let's say on Instagram you have tons of pictures of your client's hair. Now I actually used to be really bad at this, but I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with you guys, especially those that follow me here on YouTube onto Instagram. I am starting now to post more pictures of myself and me doing my client's hair. I would say at least every 15 to 20 Instagram posts of hair, make sure that you are posting pictures of yourself or pictures of products that you're using to get people's attention other than just your hair pics. Instagram is huge, guys, and I really recommend that you guys utilize it as much as possible. Now, we're going to go on for number 2. If you do not have social media, another way that you can grow your clientele is by using business cards. So when I first started doing hair, I had my Instagram and I also made business cards. Business cards always work because if you have clients that come in, whenever they are done with their service, you can give them about 5 to 10 business cards. Trust me, people will give them to other people, especially if they know that you are good and you're treating them really good. One thing to do if you're struggling with trying to find clientele without having social media is get your business card, go online, print out 10% off little coupons and staple them to the back of your business cards, and go out of your comfort zone and going to the mall or to Walmart, wherever it is that you're nearby, and give people them. You don't have to approach people in a scary way or awkward way, you know, just tell them, hi, I'm doing hair, I'm a hairstylist, and here's my card if you ever need a haircut, and just kind of leave with them, mention that there's 10% off. People actually like that, and they will. Also, if you guys hear some snoring in the background, I apologize. It's my Frenchie, and he is just so loud. There he is again. There are a ton of sites as well that you can go on and make your own business cards. I'm actually out of them. I wish I could show you them, but make sure that it has your name, your Instagram on there if you have one. That way people can look up your work and your phone number and your email as well. Tip is going to be word of mouth. Now this is something that you actually don't have to do because your clients are going to do it for you. If you are new to being a hairstylist and you are so worried about time, trust me, do not worry. Take your time on your clients, make sure that they're getting the best service that they've ever had, and make sure that you are doing the best that you can. treating your clients right, making sure that they feel good when they leave that salon. Because when they go somewhere and someone comes up to them and asks them, hey, your hair looks great, it's wonderful, who do you go to? They're going to recommend your name, and more than likely they're going to give them your phone number. So word of mouth is huge. There's so many ways to building your clientele. Also, if you have friends in the same industry or people that you look up to, shoot them a message and ask them to maybe do a giveaway with you. That way they can help you build your clientele, because usually their followers will follow you. And also too, just going to be, super straight out there, be yourself on Instagram. People love that a lot. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I wanted to get straight to the point, and I hope that you guys all have a great day. If you have any more video requests, link them down in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That would help me out so much. And if you want to follow my Instagram, I will leave it right here. But hope you guys have a good day.